Namaskar. Public Service Commissions. Constitution provides a public service commission for the union, a public service commission for each state, or a joint public service commission for a group of states. A joint public service commission can be created by Parliament in pursuance of a resolution passed by the state legislatures concerned. The Union Public Service Commission can serve the needs of a state if so requested by the governor of that state and approved by the president. Reference Article 315. The appointment, determination of number of members of the commission and their conditions of service is done by the president in the case of the union or a joint commission, and the governor of the state in case of a state commission. The conditions of service of a member of the Public Service Commission cannot be varied to his disadvantages after his appointment. After 318, Article 318, half of the members of the commission should be persons who have held office under the government of India or of a state for at least 10 years. Article 316, the term of service of a member of a commission is 6 years from the date of his entering up upon office or until the age of retirement, whichever is earlier. Age of retirement for a member of UPSC is 65 years. Age of retirement for a member of PSC of a state or a joint commission is 62 years. The service of a member of a public service commission can be terminated by resignation in writing addressed to the president, to the governor in the case of a state commission. Removal by the president. Second, removal by the president. First, second, removal by the second, removal by the president. The president can remove a member of if he is one judged insolvent, or second, engaged himself in paid employment outside the duties of his office, or third, is confirmed in mind or body, or fourth, found guilty of a misbehavior by the Supreme Court. Even in the case of a state commission, only the president can remove a member, while governor has only the power to pass an interim order of suspension. The expenses of the commission are charged on the consolidated fund of the India or of the state, as the case may be. Difference Article 322. Disabilities imposed upon the chairman and the members of commission for future employment under the government are: the chairman of the UPSC is ineligible for the further employment either under the government of India or under the government of a state. The chairman of a state public service commission is eligible for the appointment as the chairman or the member of the Union Public Service Commission, or as the chairman of any other state public service commission, but not for any other employment either under the government of India or under the government of a state. A member of a state public service commission is eligible for appointment as the chairman of a state public service commission or a chairman or member of a UPSC, but not for any other employment either under the government of India or under the government of a state. The Public Service Commission are advisory bodies. Government can accept its recommendation or depart from it. Functions of Public Service Commission: 1. To conduct examination for appointment to the services of Union and state. Second, to advise on any matter so referred to them, and on any other matter which the President or the government of a state may refer to the appropriate commission. Article 320. To exercise such additional functions as may be provided for by an act of Parliament or of the legislature of a state. धन्यवाद.